Hey, what's up, guys? It's Corey here with Dapper Dollars, and today we're going to talk about tiering up in Q4 of 2020 and how to take advantage of this holiday season to get yourself out of the lower tiers and into the bigger tiers. You ready? Let's get started. Now, this channel is all about using the Merch by Amazon opportunity and making passive income so that you're able to invest it wisely and get yourself and your family into a place of financial freedom. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, like and comment below. Let me know who you are. I'd love to get to know you. And anyway, let's get into today's video. So, why is Q4, specifically in 2020, a good time for you to tier up, to get into those larger tiers so that you're able to upload more designs? Well, there's a little bit going on right now, if you haven't noticed, with the elections, with the virus, with everything that's going on. There's a lot of stuff that people are looking to buy, and a lot of shopping is being done primarily online, well, almost exclusively online, thanks to everything that's happening. So this is a great opportunity for you, if you're new in Merch by Amazon, to get your designs out there in front of people who are actively buying and looking to purchase stuff. And Q4 is the holiday shopping season, so people are going to be looking for gifts anyway. So this is a great time for you to find those people, or to hook those people up with your designs, get those sales and get yourself out of the lower tiers so you can really start making some serious money. Now, if you're in tiers 10 to probably 50, I would consider focusing on the election only right now, because the election is still going to be going on for about, 2 more weeks or so. You've got a solid few weeks to get this, a few designs in for the election, and then obviously after the election, there's going to be a good bit of drama. So, whether or not you want to have like Trump as my president or Biden as my president designs or things like that ready, then that's going to be a great opportunity, because likely something like that is going to be in high demand, because this is going to be a very interesting time. And if you're ahead of the game and you only have a few slots, if you're in tier 10 to 50, then that means that you're going to be able to maximize those few slots by being in a space where people are really looking to buy stuff. So if you're between tiers 10 and 50, then definitely focus on the election right now. But if you're tiers 10 to, or 100 to, upwards of, 20,000, if you need to watch this video, if you're in tier 20,000, I would definitely focus on the holiday trends and things like that, so that you are able to maximize the audience that you're in front of and their buying potential right now. And there are things that really make a difference whenever you're in these niches and you're going into these spaces where people could be buying. There are things to keep in mind specifically to Q4. Number one, you want to be in niches where there is a sub niche, something like, if you're going after dogs, something like Dobermans, and then like a Doberman mom, or something like Doberman dad. You're able to take a broad category like dog, funnel it down to a breed, and then funnel it down even further to maybe crazy dog mom or crazy Doberman aunt or something like that. Something that could be considered a nice gag gift or something for Christmas. Remember, you want to keep in mind that you're mainly focusing on Christmas designs right now, and Christmas is what's the occasion that people are buying for, so they're going to be opening it, and that's going to be the context for your gift. So keep in mind what the end result is going to be and how this person might react, or how it might be a great thing to get someone as a gift for Christmas. So make sure that the niches that you're going after to tier up in Q4 in 2020 have sub niches. And also, you don't want to go after awareness stuff. I know this is completely against everything that I've said before, because I'm very big into awareness stuff like anti-bullying, spread kindness, cancer stuff. A lot of the awareness spaces I'm in are generating most of my income outside of Q4, but I'm also in a few of these areas that are more hobbies, that are more, just things that are passions for people. And that kind of balances out my portfolio on Merch by Amazon, so that I'm not just maximizing the space outside of Q4, but I also have an interest in Q4. So make sure that you're not going after awareness stuff in Q4, because that's really, I think people might enjoy getting a support gift for things like breast cancer or things like leukemia or pancreatic cancer, like showing support, but it's not going, whenever you're in the Christmas season, you're more looking for a gift that's going to make someone's day, that's going to make someone laugh, and you don't want to have too heavy of a gift. So those spaces are a little it doesn't work out too much. And you really want to focus on the passions. I think we just talked about that passions are really what's going to sell. People want to open a gift and it is relatable to them. If you're someone who is a woodworker and you get a shirt about making sausage, it kind of doesn't really, that's just an example of terrible gift giving, sorry. But anyway, if someone's a woodworker and they get a woodworking shirt that's clever and funny and unique, if you need advice for how to make unique designs, I'll link to the video up, or one of the videos that I've made up here, and it's a great way to use Pinterest and other sources to make unique designs, because remember, in these spaces during Q4, unique is what's going to sell. So if you're in a passion space and you're just seeing the same thing over and over and you don't know how to bring something new that's going to sell, watch one of these videos and it'll give you a great insight to how to make designs that are actually going to sell, that are unique. Anyway, so some specific niches that you can go into: dogs, cats, anything that has to do with pets. Obscure pets do really well. A great gag gift that would probably make a lot of sense is if someone has an iguana, getting someone like a crazy iguana mom shirt would be a great gag gift. And it would be like a funny gift for someone to open on Christmas. So keep an eye on those obscure pet niches that people are in. Think of some of the most obscure pets, maybe a tiger. What is it? Tiger King has been pretty popular this year. If you know someone who's got a tiger, or maybe like proud tiger owner shirts, those would be probably pretty popular, because if you watch one of the latest Joe Rogan episodes, the United States, specifically Texas, has more tigers as pests than there are tigers in the wild. So making a tiger dad shirt probably wouldn't be a bad idea. And teachers are going to be in school probably for the Christmas season. So they have all of the class parties. I'm sure if you went to a public school or private school or probably even homeschool, you had Christmas parties of some sort, and teachers wore festive designs and things like that. So teachers are a great opportunity during this Q4 with Thanksgiving and Christmas coming up to have designs for them to wear to those Thanksgiving and Christmas parties, and just, shirts to wear throughout the month of December for Q4. And also hobbies. And I can link to a list down below of hobbies that I've used, and it just has probably 200 or 300 different hobbies that no one's ever really heard of. But you can search those on Amazon. And if they're on Amazon and selling already, then it's a good bet that people are actually going to buy them. Remember, if you search these hobbies on Amazon and you don't find anything, it's likely that it's not going to sell. So keep that in mind, because a lot of stuff, I would say 90% of the stuff that's going to sell has already been done and people are already making money doing it. You just need to find out how you can do it better to bring something different to that space. So I'll link to those list of hobbies below, and you can see if there's anything that interests you, or maybe find a unique hobby that is, out of the ordinary that someone might like to get as a Christmas gift. But anyway, that is what I have to say about using this Q4 opportunity in 2020 to tier up in Merch by Amazon. And I just can't wait to hear y'all's success stories. Please let me know what you're doing down below. If there's anything specific you were thinking of, or any stuff that's coming up, or success that you've had in the past using these videos. I'd love to hear about it, love to get to know you. And remember, someone's gonna do something great every day, guys. Why not you?